Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to integrate Fundbox using its API. You want to connect Fundbox to your apps or platform? Well, with Fundbox API you can embed credit products, manage user data, and streamline funding fast and securely. Here's how to do it. First step is to get developer access. Sign up at developers.fundbox.com. Request API credentials by registering your app. Next is to use sandbox mode for testing. Begin integration in a safe test environment. Simulate user signups, credit approvals, and loan draws without affecting real accounts. Next is to authenticate using OAuth 2.0. Yeah, so implement the Fundbox with OAuth 2.0 flow to authorize users securely. Next is to exchange the authorization code for an access token. Once that's done, you integrate key endpoints. Use endpoints like /customers, /iCredits, and of course /draws to onboard users. Also, you can use that to check eligibility as well as to trigger credit line draws. Next up is to set up webhook notifications. Now use webhooks to receive real-time updates on user activities like draw approvals or repayments. And lastly, go live. After testing, switch from sandbox to production mode. Deploy your integrations and of course monitor it through the sandbox dashboard. And that's how easy it is to integrate Fundbox's credit products directly into your app using the API. Up next, we're going to explore how to test in sandbox mode, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much with this video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.